today we're gonna show you how to build a no-code AI voice agent for real estate. It works for all the queries. So let's check how it works. So first of all, I'm testing this one.
Hello, welcome to JP Realtor. How can I help you today? Are you looking to rent or buy a property in Miami or the surrounding areas?
I want to one residential property in Miami for rent.
Great, just to confirm, you're looking for a residential property for rent in Miami, right? Let me check our database and see what's available for you. Just checking in, are you still interested in that residential rental in Miami? I found a 4-bedroom, 1-bath property for $2,700 a month, and the price is negotiable. Would you like more details about this property, or are you looking for something different?
So it's a residential property, right?
Yes, that's right. It's a residential property for rent in Miami. It has 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and the monthly rent is $2,700, which is negotiable. Would you like more details about this property, or maybe schedule a viewing?
Yes, I want to view this property.
Awesome. I'd be happy to help you with this property. To get things started, may I have your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is Amil Patel.
Thank you, Emil Patel. What's the best phone number to reach you?
8866787629.
Perfect. Just to confirm, your name is Emil Patel and your phone number is 88667877629. Is that correct? If so, please reply yes to confirm.
Yes, it's correct.
One of our expert agents will contact you at 88667877629 within 24 hours to help you with the next steps. If you have any other questions or need immediate assistance, you can also reach us at 88667877645 or...
So you can see it captured my details for view this property. So it's contain phone number and full name. Also it read this property details, so you can add 100 shop, 100 shops details here. And if you have high amount of properties, then this automation needs some additional information, some additional workflow. So let's check how to build this type of real estate AI voice agent which work for all the queries. You can see it capture the lead, it can say all the queries about the properties which you have, so you can list 100 shop, 1000 shop properties here, so you don't need to answer the call. So let's go. First of all, we are using a Retell AI platform, so I provided the link in the description, so make sure to use that same link to support this channel. And first of all, you have to sign up here by that link. I'm going to dashboard here, so you can see this is the agents tab here. So first of all, go to create an agent tab. I already have this one agent, and this is our demo account, so it doesn't have all the agents which we built. So let's click on create an agent tab and the voice agent. So we want start from the blank, so click here and create button. We have this welcome node here and the agent setting here. So first of all, it required a system prompts. I provided one link which contain all the resources and codes. Copy that system prompt. So I already have that prompt, so I'm pasting here. So now you can see it contain all the details. It contain core responsibilities, lead capture guideline, and all the details. Make sure to use the same prompt to work for all the queries and save button here. So we are using a GPT 4.1 here. Okay, you can use as per your needs, but it is the best model for this type of voice agent. And you can select voice from here, so I'm using the English. You can also select another languages and go to the agent tab. So today we are using one female, which is a young female. So let's check few option here. So today we are using this, and just click on use voice. First of all, let's
Hello, I'm Chloe, here to lend a hand with a smile. How can I make things easier for...
So it's a good voice, so I'm using this. Click on use voice button here, and then after you have this voice and language. Okay, then after you have to add some welcome prompt here. Paste the welcome node from the resources section, so I'm pasting here. It contain your first message. In our case, this voice assistant from JP Realtor. You can change your name, company name, or your realtor firm name. Okay, also system prompt contain the phone number and the email ID. So you can change this. Now I added the prompt here for the first node. Then we need to add the function here, because we are connecting this with all property details sheet. So you first of all you have to create two sheets in Google. So you can use Google Sheet or any other sheet of a database. So you can type all property details name, and you can add this header, this type of headers in your sheets here. Okay, so I provided the header name in the resources section, and another sheet is like a capture lead, and it contains font, full name, email, and this all the columns here. So I also provided this columns name in the resources code section. Okay, go to left side function tab and click here. You have add option here, so click add and custom function, third option. Yeah, the name is like a search properties. Okay, because this is for the searching the properties, searching the all the details from this sheet. Second, it need a description, so I provided in the resources section. So I am just copying from here and pasting the description here. It need a post API, so let's go n8n, and this is our old workflow, so I am deactivating this one. I am creating brand new for you guys. Okay, so let's go to personal tab and go to create a workflow tab. If you don't know about n8n, then I provided the link in the description. Please use that link to support this channel, and give the name if you want. Add first tab and type a webhook here. So webhook option, and copy this text URL and paste here as a post. It want parameters, so I am copying from here. It need a parameter, so I am copying from here and pasting here. Okay, and you can see it's a JSON parameter and save button. Our name is search property, so you can see search property, and you can also name like search property and get details and add option here. So you can see our search properties here. Another one, we want like a capture lead, because we want to add the lead if user want to view the property. So let's create another one. Type again webhook here, webhook. So you can see test URL is here. Okay, so go to Retell AI and create another function for the capture lead. So you can type capture lead here. Okay, and the description, so I provided on that SAM resources section. So copy the description and paste here. It contains the post API text URL, so copy from here and paste here. Next, it want parameters, so I'm opening that SAM link. So all the resources provided in that SAM link. So this one is our captured parameter, so I'm copying from here and pasting here. So you can see save button, then after go to save button. So capture lead created successfully, and then add button. Okay, so we have these two function for this agent. So you can give the name like now we want to complete the step on n8n, so go to n8n, and we have these two webhook. Now we are adding another step, so click plus icon, type sheet here, Google Sheet, then after read the data like get rows in sheet, click this option. So you can see Google Sheet. So if you don't have credentials connected, then click on create a new credential, and then simply sign in from Google. It's a very basic step. Click on document section, so you have this all property details. Make sure to create these two sheet in your Google Sheet. So this one all property details and the sheet number, in our case Miami properties, back to canvas. Now we want this data in one format. So this webhook collecting like data from here, then this data is random. You can see this data is random, so we want this data in one required format. Plus icon here and type code. So you have this first option, code in Java language, JavaScript, code in JavaScript, first option, and paste the JavaScript code I provided in the same resources link. Okay, paste here. Now we want to respond the webhook to Retell AI. So click on plus icon and type respond. So you can see we have respond to webhook option. Click here and select all incoming items. Back to canvas again. Now our first workflow for the get details is completed. Now we want to create another workflow which is for the capture lead. We need some required format, so type code again. You can see code here and the code in JavaScript. So I'm pasting here. Click on plus icon here, type sheet again, Google Sheet, and then after append or update row in the sheet. This one is the first option. Click on first option. Okay, now we want to capture the lead, capture the data. So select capture lead sheet here, this option, and the sheet number 1. Okay, so you have to select full name, column to match on. Okay, respond to webhook, type respond. So you can see second option, respond to webhook and all incoming item. So back to canvas again, go to Retell AI. So in this case we want to transition, so provided in that same link. Okay, so you have to check the transition first one. Okay, pasting here. So this is the first one and another one, and pasting here. So our two transition created successfully, and now we want to connect this with this search property. If user found one property as per the likes, then we need to collect the details to view the properties. Change the transition, click on plus tab and then prompt here. So you can see we need to add one prompt here. Then after we need to capture the lead, go to function tab, then again select capture lead and add button. So you can see capture lead is here. Now connect this with this one. Okay, so now we can see our second one need to connect. So connect this with capture lead. So you can see it contain the details for this transition. Now we can see our Retell AI workflow also created successfully, and n8n workflow also. So first let's execute this workflow. Click on execute this workflow and test this option. So go to this tab. Okay, and test. I'm not talking here because it's taking some time and the length of the video goes beyond the limit. So after the testing the first workflow, you can see the green mark from here, and then make sure to change the test URL to production URL. I'm clicking production URL and copying here, and then go to Retell AI. You can see function tab here, then after this pencil icon, so click here and make sure to add the production URL. I'm pasting the production URL and update button, and then after change the capture lead to production URL. So second option and the production URL, copying from here and click on this pasting the URL here. Okay, so update button. After testing this agent, go to publish tab, publishing this one, your home section. You can see phone number section here. Click here and plus icon and buy a new number here. You can directly purchase from here, and also it has another option to connect with SIV trunking. So we already have this number, so go to that account dashboard and verification section. So you have all these details, number, etc., and paste that details here. So your inbound number is ready. So if the users call on that number, then this AI agent is active. It can work 24 by 7 hours. So you don't need to answer each and every calls. Our 50% client is come from real estate industry, so it work for few thousand queries. If you want to create a custom AI automation for your business, then I provided my calendar link in the description. If you don't know about me, then I am Hamil Patel, founder and CEO of HLP Media. We providing custom AI automation and consultancy, and also we providing the AI marketing services. So make sure to check our website at jpmedia.com. So you can see our website in the services section. We are full service AI marketing agency, so you don't need to invest in few other agencies. One stop solution for all your AI marketing or AI automation need. I hope you like this video and the explanation. I'm also a part-time AI consultant, so I provided the call.com link in the description, so you can book a 1 hour consultancy session with me. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.